Boeing released its July orders and deliveries today, and for a fifth straight month, it had 0 orders for its beleaguered 737 MAX. And as Phil LeBeau reports, that may not change until that grounded airplane is back in the skies.
It sounds like a broken record. Another month the 737 MAX is grounded, another month of 0 new orders for the plane. Hardly a surprise for analysts.
My expectation is as soon as it gets back into service, there will be order activity for the airplane. But I think the key question is when does the airplane get back into service?
Boeing's MAX plan is to finish fixing the plane and file for recertification by the end of September, with the FAA approving it a short time later and the MAX back in service by the end of the year. That would be welcome news for airlines like Southwest, which has parked dozens of MAXes. But the new head of the FAA is in no hurry to say the MAX is safe.
This plane will not fly in commercial service again until I'm completely assured that it is safe to do so.
With the FAA under pressure to be tougher on Boeing, regulators are scrutinizing the plane's flight control system to make sure issues that caused 2 737 MAX crashes are completely resolved.
I know they keep adding to additional requirements and additional testing, but sooner or later, the airplane is going to demonstrate its ability, and there won't be anything other than maybe political considerations, but the airplane's ready to go, and I feel comfortable that it's going to be a really good airplane.
But for now, airlines are not placing new orders for the 737 MAX, and those who are waiting for deliveries in the future, well, they're sticking with the plane. In July, there were 0 737 MAX cancellations. Phil LeBeau, Nightly Business Report, Chicago.